So it's 5. Let's look at 6 here. So it says here, suppose w and t vary inversely and t equals 1/6 when w equals 7. Write a function that models the inverse variation and find t when w equals 9. So it says here, is this question 6? Yeah. Suppose w and t varies inversely, right? So I can say that w here has it's inversely proportional to t, and when t equals 1/6, w equals 7 here. So when I say w is inversely to t, this here just means proportional. This is a proportional. I can say that w here, if I want to change this proportional equals, has to be k times 1/t here, and this would be k here is simply just a constant to figure out the how it's proportional, how it's inversely proportional between w and t here. And it says here models that t here equals 1/6 when w equals 7. So basically, I'm solving for the constant first. So I'm going to say w here would equal 7 equals k times 1/t. Here's 1/1/6, right? 1/1/6. 7 would equal k over 1/1/6 is simply just 6 here, and then k would equal, this is 7/6 here. So that's my proportionality constant for this kind of equation here, and it's saying write a function that models the inverse variation and find t when w here equals 9. So I have my function here. I have my function here. So it's going to say w here equals 7/6 times 1/t, and this is going to be my function for the inverse proportion and variation between w and t here. And we were finding t when w equals 9. We can simply just sub in 9 for w here. This will equal 7/6 over times 1/t here. We can divide both sides by 7/6 in order for us to get rid of this term here. So basically, I am, instead of multiplying, I'm dividing. So you can say it's 9 here divided by 7/6 here equals 1/t. And pull up my calculator and do this really quickly. 9 divided by 7/6 would give me this is 54/7. 54/7 equals 1/t. And finally, what I can do is I can simply just what I could do is I could bring t to the other side, and this would be 54/7 times t equals 1. And finally, I can divide both sides by 54/7. So t here would give me 7/54, and this would be my answer for t here. So t equals 7. I believe they missed up the fraction here would give me t equals 7/54 here is my correct answer. So solution here is correct. T here equals 7/54. Missing the fraction sign on the answer here. So this solution here is correct.